What's the difference between a gay man and a refrigerator? The fridge doesn't fart when you pull the meat out. White Jesus, black Jesus, and gay Jesus walk into a bar. Then they said, ouch! Yes! Whenever I hear people say being gay is a choice, I'm like, nah. Maybe to you it's a choice because you're actually gay. Remember, true salvation is always in style.
Hail gay Jesus!
How do you turn a regular bar into a gay bar? Turn the bar stools upside down. Thank you, you've been a great crowd. Let me in.
Why?
So I can save you.
From what?
From what I'm gonna do to you.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!